According to Forbes, 71% of employers prefer candidates with AI skills or AI literacy. That's a lot of percentage, right? My name is Grace. I'm the founder of Automatica, where we help business leverage AI to build, to scale, and to grow revenue. In this video, I'm about to show you how you can become AI literate in just 30 days. Let's dive in. So the step one is to learn AI basics. You might ask, how do I learn AI basics? Where do I learn it from? There are lots of resources online where you can learn AI basics, but I'll be pinpointing two. Number one is YouTube. You can follow AI for Everything by Andrew on YouTube to learn at least the basics of AI. And also, you can go on academy.openai.com where you can learn the basics of how to use ChatGPT, which is more like a foundation of how to use AI. So from there, you understand how AI works and some of the little things you can do with AI. I advise that you commit at least 30 minutes a day to learn the basics of AI. Step two is experiment with AI tools. To learn AI, you learn by doing. So by experimenting with AI tools that already existed, you at least understand how AI works and how you can use them in your everyday life. You can experiment AI tools that are already incorporated in the tools that you use every day, like Canva AI, Gamma for creating slides, ChatGPT, and a lot more. I've included a 30 days AI literacy plan in the description, so click the link and download the 30-day plan where I highlighted step by step on how to become AI literate in just 30 days. Moving to step three. Step three is apply AI to your work. It's good to learn, it's good to experiment, but it is good to also apply, to put in whatever you've learned into your everyday work. Are you a business owner? You can try to check out to automate emails, simple emails. You can learn how to create a knowledge base with AI where you can just go, just search some questions and you get your answer immediately. These are what people use AI to do every day. So experiment with AI and also apply AI to your daily work, no matter the career that you have or the business that you run. Lastly, which is step 4, is to build AI projects. Don't worry, I have included everything that you need to do, even examples in the resource plan that I mentioned earlier. So use the link in the description to download it. So moving to building AI projects. So what are the AI projects you can build to actually solidify your AI skills? And you can call yourself an AI literate. Tell any employer, tell anybody that you are talking to, AI literate. Number one project you can build is a content generator with GPT. A lot of us post content online. You can use ChatGPT to generate your content. That's one of the projects you can do. Another project you can do is automating a simple workflow with Zapier or with Make. And last project that I will give an example of is creating a personal AI assistant for yourself. These things are very, very possible. And if you're able to do these little things, you can call yourself an AI literate and you can include that in your CV, which can make you hiring or even make anybody listen to you when they are talking about AI. So, like I mentioned, I've created a 30-day AI literacy plan, which I included in the description. Don't forget to click on the link, download your plan, and as you progress, please post on social media. You can definitely tag me, and I hope to see you after 30 days to be an AI literate, and it has changed your life completely. See you in my next video.